Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I am back in my own headquarters from Brisbane up in Queensland. I had a wonderful time up in Queensland. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Well, I had a wonderful time up in Queensland and I brought back home a few souvenirs, including this lovely cap. I'll bring it forward to you. Okay, now, I got some souvenirs I'd like to show you before I go through my highlights package of my Queensland adventure. Of course, the weather when I was up in Queensland was immaculate, absolutely beautiful. 27 and 28 degrees Celsius when I was up in Brisbane throughout my time up there, and high humidity as well, and including a spectacular storm on one of the nights when I was up there. And also brought back from Queensland this lovely, can you see it? Yeah, I'm just like Wilson from Home Improvement at the moment. Just put it back on the desk there. And also I brought back a 6-pack coaster set. So anyway, viewers, whilst Kathleen freezed her backside off where she went to, whilst I was enjoying a beautiful, endless sunshine up in the tropics. So anyway, viewers, without further ado, I've got my cat Sarah out my front door wanting to be let in. Anyway, viewers, hope you enjoy my highlights package of my Queensland adventure. I hope you enjoy. And until then, I will see you in the next episode. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now and enjoy my lovely photo presentation of my Queensland adventure. Cheers. Bye.